Good day, our dear viewers. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to extract out the oil from palm weevil larvae. Palm weevil larvae oil is very rich. You can use it to produce creams for your body creams. You can also use it to produce biscuits and so many other things. So I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how you can extract out this oil from it and use it for your production. The oil is very rich, good for children and good for skin maintaining, making your skin to glow always. So in this video you're going to learn every step, so do as well to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Step 1, get freshly harvested palm weevil larvae. These are palm weevil larvae that we harvested from our farm. You get them, then you start the procedure. Now the next thing you have to do is to lighten your gas. So you light your gas. After lighting your gas, then you now put your frying pan in the fire. Put your frying pan in the fire. You can see our gas is on. These are the larvae that we want to extract out their oil. So at this point you add in water into your pot, into your frying pan. So you add in the lava into your pot, then you add the lava. You add them into the pot. You can see them dancing. The spices we are going to be using is number 1, we're going to be using yaji pepper. This pepper is not like your regular pepper, it is sweet pepper. Those pepper that are booking them miso use and sell suya. Then you need onions and mangi. So you add the onions first when the lavas are started boiling in the fire. The next thing you add your mangi cube. So this my lavas are not many, so I'm going to be using only one mangi cube so that we give it a very nice taste. The next thing you have to do is to add in your sweet pepper. After adding your pepper, you can now stir it very well so that all your ingredients can combine very well. So you stir it with your spoon. At this point, it's just like as you start eating it because these lavas are very sweet. They are sweeter than meat and fish, and their oil is very nice. So you stir it very well, effectively. You can see them boiling. Lavas are really sweet and nutritious, very good. If you are not farming palm weevil larvae, start farming it too, so that you'll be eating this sweet larvae, this sweet palm weevil. If you test it, those that have not tested it, if you test it, you will not eat meat and fish again, because these are very sweet and it's quite easy to breed. So if you want to learn how to farm it, you can reach us on our number 080-633-45443. We are ready to train you, to give you the basic knowledge on how you can farm it. These are our ones that we farm from our farm. So if you want to learn, call us, we'll put you through. Allow it to boil very well so that all the spices will enter the body of the palm weevil larvae. The reason why I'm extracting out this palm weevil oil is to use it to produce cookies, biscuits. So I want to use it and produce biscuit. That's why I'm extracting out the oil. So in my next video, I will also teach you how you can use it to produce biscuits, cake, and other types of snacks. So if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe, like this video, so that once I drop that video, you'll be notified, so that you will not be left behind. So subscribe, click the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Subscribe to become a member of the family, so that you'll be getting different updates on different agricultural activities that we are going to be teaching you in this channel. You can see it boiling effectively. All the spices is entering the body of the larvae. After about 5 to 7 minutes, you can now bring it down from the fire Then you now remove the larvae there. So that's what we're going to be doing now. So we have brought it down from the fire now. So you just use your spoon to bring out the larvae alone. All other spices like the onions don't need to be in it again. Just bring out only the larvae with your spoon. They look very nice. How beautiful they are. These larvae are very sweet. Sweeter than me too. I'm not joking. If you have not started farming it, come so that we'll teach you so that you start farming these larvae. So these are the ones we have brought out. You can see they are not much. So I just want to use this one to teach you. So for large production, you can put more larvae. So the next thing, you put your frying pan on low heat. This point is very important. Put it on low heat. Let your heat not be too hot, too high. So then you now pour the larvae them into your frying pan. So now pour it into your frying pan like this, gently. You should put it on low heat. If the heat is too high, the larvae will get burnt. So put it on low heat and use your spoon to be stirring it effectively. Just be stirring it. As you are stirring it, you will see that the oil inside it will start coming out gradually. Little by little, you'll be seeing their oil coming out. So keep stirring it with your spoon. As you keep stirring it, after some time, you discover that the oil has started coming out. Can you see? See the oils have started coming out from the larvae. So you keep stirring it so that more oil will come out. If possible, you can use the spoon to just press it more, press the larvae more. You can see all the oil pouring out from the larvae. You can see. Can you see? It has lots of oil inside it. You can use this oil for baking of any sauce, any types of snacks. You can use it and bake. And that snack is very rich and very sweet. So can you see all the oil then? We have brought it down from the fire at this point. Then can you see many? The oil, these are many. They are much. With this little palm weevil larvae, we got all this oil you are seeing. So what you have to do next is to remove the larvae then. So remove the larvae into a separate plate so that you can now take your oil at this point. Okay, we're going to put the oil into that container. You saw me holding this container. I'm going to put this oil inside. See all the oil that came out. So we're going to put it inside this container. The larvae we use are not much, so that's why even the oil is not that much. So if you want to do larger production, you put more larvae, use more larvae. Following this instruction I gave in this video, you are going to get the best out of it. These are just going to use to produce small cookies that I will eat. I see the oil, very nice. These are the oil we got, very good. You can purify it and use it for your baking. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.